Good day, Ian here from FPV-POWER. It's going to go through a tutorial on our battery meter. So first of all is connect it up to a battery, and in this example we've got our 12 volt lightweight waterproof 50 amp hour lithium ion polymer battery that's available for purchase as well if you need a lightweight solution. So moving forward, as soon as you connect battery to a battery source, this thing will power up, and if you leave it for X amount of seconds, it's going to go into standby, meaning that the only way to activate it so you can actually get it to respond, because at the moment I'm pressing voltage. There we go. You need to just press it a few times, and then you activate. Then this will start working when the backlight is on. That means the buttons are active. Before that, then when you press it, nothing happens. So first of all, this is the voltage. This is the percentage, which is 0. This is the amps that is being discharged or charged. It's a live reading when you see the A. At the moment, it's nothing happening, or 0001. Then you've got your amp hours. So at the moment, it's showing that there is no capacity left in this battery, which is not true. So back to voltage. You've charged your battery full. You can charge it to 12.6. We've used this just for a short run. So this is like maybe 98%. But let's say this was fully charged at 12.6 volts. What you need to do is go to the AH to set your capacity. So click on AH. And that's by cycling. See, it goes to A, which is a live current reading. Then you got a AH, which is the live capacity that's left. At the moment, it's showing 0. We need to set it. We need to set it to 50 amp hour or to whatever amp hour your battery is. So regardless of voltages, this can be a 24 volt. You can have a 24 volt system. Just pay attention to the capacity. That's all you need to worry about. So once we cycled through to not A but AH, long press the button. See that? It is blinking. And now if you press up or right, it increases. Press left, which is down, it decreases by 0.1. Notice that? So for us to go to from, it is just a set at 10. Because I was playing around with it. It should be set at 0 when you get it, I believe, or whatever it is. But we need to increase it. So long hold. Can you see when you long hold it? See that? It jumps up. Ooh, 30. So don't overshoot it. There we go. Long hold. We want to set it to 50. Oh, 8. If we get it to 9. There we go. Beautiful. And if you overrun it, you can always increase it or decrease it by 0.1. So the AH is 50 amp hours. 50 amp hours. Press the set button and she is set. But have you noticed that it is still 0? Why? Because it's saying that the capacity is still 0. What you need to do is press the right button, percentage, get into the percentage, and hold down the right button. What this does is this resets the meter, and it says that we're going to go 100% now, which means that if you go back to AH, see that you got 50% in capacity. Now it's a full battery. So the thing is to reset it every time you go on a trip. Charge your battery full and plug it to your battery meter like so, and at any time just go to the percentage screen, which is here, and right click and hold it down, long hold, and boom, it's already at 100%. So for example, let's say it was at 0%, or it was at 50% or 60% or 80%, and you've charged your battery full, and then you make the connection here, and guess what? Now you got to go to the percentage, and then you just long hold, boom, for your trip. So that means you've reset the fuel gauge, the meter, to 100%. This is fully charged. It is showing 100%, and the percentages will go down, not just based on the voltage, which with the lithium battery voltages is not accurate to give you a percentage, but it's going to base on the amp hours, because you've set it at 50% and you reset it to 100%, so the battery bar is full. As you discharge, because you can actually see the live reading, which is in A, you can see how much your motor is pulling out of your battery, what your system is drawing. And if you have a charging system put in, and if it charges more than you use, then you can actually see a positive number. You'll be negative when it's draining, you'll be a positive number on the side here when you are charging back in. And then of course your capacity, your AH, it will increase from whatever it was down. Then you can see, yeah, so this meter works in, it works in and out. You can discharge and you can charge. So hopefully that this tutorial will help you to set up your system very easily with the battery and capacity that you choose to have. Thank you.